Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make beans from a can. First, choose your favorite canned beans, like black beans or kidney beans. Next, drain and rinse them well under cold water. This helps reduce sodium and improves flavor. Then, gather your other ingredients, such as a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a half teaspoon each of cumin and chili powder. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious meal in no time. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Then, add your rinsed canned beans to the skillet along with 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. This liquid helps create a nice sauce and prevents the beans from drying out, ensuring they are perfectly tender. To elevate the flavor, it's time to add your spices. Stir in a half teaspoon of cumin and a half teaspoon of chili powder or any other seasonings you prefer. Next, season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Let the beans simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are thoroughly heated and the sauce has slightly thickened. This step truly brings out their best taste. Your flavorful canned beans are now ready to enjoy. Serve them as a hearty side dish alongside grilled chicken or as a main course over rice. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice. They are incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.